Meaning of dislocate.
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 Dislocate. The word dislocate refers to the act of disturbing or interrupting the proper position or alignment of something. This can result in physical discomfort, pain or injury as well as affect the functionality of the object or body part. Dislocation can occur in various contexts such as bones in the human body, machinery and equipment, relationships, and even societal structures. It is important to address dislocations promptly to prevent further damage and restore stability and functionality to the affected object or system.